Hello everybody, welcome back to the video. Today here, my name is Riffley, and today, back with another reaction video to my day with my friends, obviously. And in today's reaction, we're going to be doing My Day with My Friends Part 3. Part 3, the third one. And, so I personally like Part 3, but I don't like the second half. I don't like the content in the next morning where it takes place in the next morning. But I do like the beginning though. The beginning is good. I do like the beginning a lot. But yeah, so we're about to see it. And yeah. So I hope y'all are really enjoying this, me reacting to My Day with My Friends franchise. I do hope y'all are enjoying that. So yeah, so let's go ahead and push play on this right now. We're gonna eat some
Well, this one's yours.
pie. Oh yeah, that's right. This is where we were eating. This is where we were eating pie, and then my dad came home with pizza.
Here's your friend, Bubba.
There it is.
Wait, what? Okay, this one's mine right here.
Oh, look how yummy that pie is.
It's at the table, dude. This is your pie, dang it. They're over there.
What do I have a baby for?
Cause you're a small little baby.
There's one more person, right?
And
What?
that
Addison.
Yes, Addison. I forgot about Addison.
Where's Addison?
Mary.
I honestly don't know where she is.
Where's pie?
Man, I just really
There's your pie.
enjoyed this movie a lot.
Now sit down and eat it.
Sit down and eat your pie.
Oh, look at this, guys.
Oh yeah, I think that was ice cream. Pie. I think, I'm not sure. Can't really remember. Oh god, it's so good. So good.
Freak yeah. This is so good.
Holy freak.
I don't see her.
2,
Mark it,
1.
mark it, someone else.
Yeah, I made it sound like that. I made it sound like that. The dog. I'm the cussed. I'm Daniel,
I think she
and I think that was kind of funny.
under the house, but it doesn't take her that long just to.
What?
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my pie. I'm gonna go ahead and take my pie. And also get into this pizza too.
Yeah, so I mean this whole night here was actually really fun. The next morning was kind of boring and stuff, and I don't know why that I decided to record that one.
I will get back to y'all once I'm done with my pie.
Bye.
Hold on. Wait,
What? It's pie. Pie.
All right. Okay, watch. Watch this.
Oh yeah, I tried to do like a magic trick.
One. Boom. Wow, that was so cool. Her phone?
Yeah.
Her phone?
The Kevin Williamson. He did do a good job on the script in part 3, but the first half he was I think he was kind of like slacking off. He was kind of getting a bit. I'm tired.
What are you doing
Here.
We're gonna get purple.
Man, these movies were so good. I love part. I love part.
I like it.
4.
Oh, really?
I do like part 4 with the whole hide and seek thing. That Kevin Williamson decided to go with. in that one. Oh yeah, Daniel actually took the wolf mask. I actually still have that mask. And he was like scaring the dog. Yeah,
Oh my God.
he was actually like scaring the dog with that wolf mask. I'll show you. I'll show you that we still have that mask. You can see it. You can see it here.
You scared her.
Go get my phone. That's all he wants. Is my phone.
Okay, eyes. Oh, here it is. Here it is, Taylor.
Thank you.
Oh God, Haddison. Oh my God. I don't know why she was just doing hat. I don't know.
Yes.
He was singing.
3 and 2.
Again, this is written by Kevin Williamson, so of course it's going to be like some Scream elements going on, because Daniel was singing Red Right Hand, which was mainly in Scream 3, mainly. It appeared a little bit in Scream 1. Not so sure about Scream 2, but definitely Scream 3. Scream 3 was like the king here. Oh, that's right. This is my Dude with My Friends Part 3, and then Red Right Hand decided to come on. I don't know what that was all about. I don't know.
Okay, I won't make you. Here.
Are you okay?
He doesn't want me anymore.
Here it is, the next morning.
The next morning.
Oh man, is this kind of this is kind of a bit sloppy at times here, but let's just enjoy it. Let's just see. Oh yeah.
Oh no, you're weird. Okay, I didn't.
My character in this part here. I was like saying that I wanted to talk to Mary's cousin. Yeah, she thought that I liked her cousin, which I don't know why. I told you. This. Oh my God! This is where during this part, this is where the movie decides to go like a little bit downhill.
She's weird.
It's kind of stupid at times. I don't know why. It's kind of stupid at times. She's thinking that I like her cousin, and oh God. Oh man, it's kind of stupid. It's kind of dumb. It's a bit lame. It's not the worst. We will get to the dirty diaper of this franchise, but which we have a long way away until the baby makes a dirty diaper, and then we'll see the dirty diaper, which that would be 9. We will be on part 9, but we still have a long way to go, which is good. I'm not looking forward to part 9. Oh yeah, that's right. If you listen in, you can actually hear Youth of America, which also was used in Scream. I thought that was kind of cool. Kevin Williamson, and he, oh my God, he did awesome. Adding in the soundtrack and everything of Scream. Look, so listen.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Just by talking to her.
Man, I love this. I like 3. I really do. But the sequence in the next morning, it's just not for me. It might be for some people. Some people might like this, but to me, not really. But overall, part 3 is still a good movie. I still have the guilty pleasures in 3.
No.
Not as much as part 10 though. I love 10 so freaking much. It's like my favorite one in here.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, Penelope. Every time she doesn't get her way, she will walk away all like, all like with their hands on her hips, and she'll just walk away like, Yeah, I thought that was kind of funny. Her character in this franchise is actually a bit silly. She's like one of my favorite characters. On top of Addison, but she's like one of the craziest characters in the whole franchise. Mary, she's a bit shy. She's like the shy character.
I will know your cousin. Yes.
She's like one of the. I think she's like one of the quiet ones. A little bit I'm crazy at times, but she's mainly like hiding in the shadows most of the time. Part three, she really does like shine in this one. Just enjoy it while you still can, because she's not going to be shining in this one for that well. She's not going to be like she's not going to be the main character in this franchise after 3. So, oh yeah, and as y'all can hear, there is red right hand going on. Again, dude. Scream soundtrack in here, man. Just a whole lot of Scream soundtracks in this franchise. It's amazing. I love this.
I want to know her. I want to know her.
Oh my god, this is terrible dialogue. Oh god, but it's still good. It's like okay. Part three. It's like one of those movies that's it's like some parts in this movie is like so bad that it's good. It's really, really good. It doesn't fit in the franchise very well, but it's like one of those things that it's so bad that it's good. You feel kind of Christmassy sometimes whenever you get to those parts sometimes where it's something I do with my friends thing, and it's so bad that it's good. Part 3 has its problems, and it mainly takes place in the next morning here. But
she's not my PewDiePie girl.
Oh my god, PewDiePie girl? Are you kidding me?
No, Lulu is my.
The script, man. Kevin Williamson. What are you trying to make this character turn into? Oh god.
Lulu to death.
Terrible, but it's still good. It's so bad that it's just good. I don't know why. It's so bad that it's just good. I mean
it.
Oh man. I think part 3 might be a little bit low in my ranking, mainly because of this part here. But Lulu Wilson. I'm talking about her here. Lulu Wilson. Oh my god. Oh god.
I'm probably gonna have
Oh yeah, my tablet. I'm turned off on that part.
I'm probably gonna have to get back to you on that one.
Oh my god, this is so terrible, but it's still very enjoyable. It's terrible, but it's still good. It's a very good movie. I have guilty pleasures in this one. I understand that people might hate this movie, but I truly understand the criticisms. For my day with my friends, I'm 3. But overall, it's to me, I personally like it. I don't love it as much as the first 2. The first 2 I love the most. Except part 10. Oh no, part 10. Okay, part 1, 2, and 10 are like the only it makes you feel so happy. It makes you feel like it's Christmas and you're like opening up Christmas presents. It makes you have that feeling in it. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't like this part, man, but it's still a good movie.
She's so adorable.
I don't like this part. I mean, The next morning is very.
Yeah? What do you want?
Oh yeah, she's like calling Mary, and then I'm like going, yes. What do you want?
Wait, what?
We're leaving. We're coming back. We're leaving. Leaving. We're leaving Penelope here with you.
I don't want to be here
Oh.
with her.
We have to pick up heavy stuff.
Oh yeah. At this part here, I felt kind of sad at first because I thought that part 3 was actually going to be the final chapter because it sounded like that Addison was like saying, oh yeah.
Oh, freak.
Because it sounded like that that Addison was saying that they were leaving, that they were leaving, and they're like gonna go back home and stuff. But it turns out no, they didn't.
Why are you so hyper?
I just don't know why I didn't record anymore. Like the alternate part 4. Part 4, instead of the hide and seek, it'll be like one of those movies that's like takes place like maybe like a few hours after 3. Maybe, I don't know. That would be cool though, but we got the part 4 that we all got. Oh god, and I'm still bothering Mary about talking to her cousin, and oh my god,
Beauty poop.
it's terrible. Like saying she's my PewDiePie girl. I mean, what the freak?
Just texted her.
Oh, her. Okay.
God, it's terrible. But overall, I still enjoyed this movie. Oh my god.
Hello. Hi, Penelope.
Penelope has to be like one of the best parts in part 3. The other characters and my character are just kind of wonky. My character is a bit of a creepo saying that Mary's cousin's my PewDiePie girl. I mean, oh my god.
So,
Part 3, it has some creepy stuff in
what
here.
What did you think?
I don't like
the movies last night.
Part 3. I don't know what Kevin Williamson was thinking whenever he was like writing the script. When he was like writing this scene, the third act. I think it's the third act. Oh yeah, the video's like almost over. But yeah, this is like the third act, and I was like, oh my god, really? I gotta do this?
That's got to be it for this video. If you like,
We're at the end of the wonky acting.
Why were you recording?
You didn't know I was recording, dude? Oh my gosh! It's a My Day with My Friends movie.
My day with y'all.
AKA My Day with My Friends. Ah!
Huh?
Hey, Ray, go look out from the window and look all the way over there. Stuff is all melting, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God.
Part 3 was basically the final video with snow in it. Part 3, okay, basically My Day, the first 3 are basically the Snowstorm trilogy. Basically the Snowstorm trilogy.
Okay.
The others after 3 are basically just regular My Day with My Friends. But yeah.
Alright, goodbye, guys. I'll see y'all in part 4, maybe. I don't know.
Part 4 happened months ago. Rafe. God, my character. My character's awesome. My character was awesome, but the lines that he delivered, the lines that was in the script for me, Oh my god. PewDiePie girl. I want to talk to your cousin, Mary. Oh my freaking god. My character in 3 is a bit of a creepo. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what number part 3 is going to be on in my ranking. Mainly because of the dialogue of my character, and mainly just that. Mainly just me wanting to talk to Mary's cousin and saying that her cousin is my PewDiePie girl. I will tell you, it will be kind of low. I'm not going to tell you which number. I haven't really figured that out yet, but yeah. But yeah, so yeah, part 3. I give this one. Okay, I probably should start doing ratings, like ratings of all of them I do with my friends films after I get done like reacting to them. So part 1, a freaking 9 out of 10. It was the original classic My Day with My Friends movie. Introduced the freaking snowstorm that happened the night before. The kids are awesome. They great character dialogue. My character was awesome. Everybody was awesome. Even Daniel and Taylor. Addison did a really good crazy psycho kid. She's really good for that. I believe that's why Kevin Williamson made her that way, and then kept on her character like that throughout the whole franchise. But yeah, part 9. I mean, not part 9. Oh my God, 9. No, don't even open up that dirty vomit diaper. No, okay. So part 1. 9 out of 10. Greatest movie in this whole franchise. There we go. Part 2. 2 has its problems, but overall it's really, really good. It has a few problems, but it's still good. I do like, it was supposed to be like Addison's reaction. It's supposed to be like a reaction video to the birthday video for Claudia. But it turned out to be not. It was good. So part 2, it was pretty silly. Addison again did really, really good. Mary did good. Obviously I did good. That one, it has its problems, but I'm probably gonna give it a 7. I'm gonna give that a 7.5. I love that. I love part 2, but not as much as part 1. But still, 1 and 2 has a special place in my heart. Now, part 3, the one that we just got through watching. Oh boy. Okay, I'm probably gonna give this movie like a 3.5. It's not a bad movie. I'll be honest, it's not a bad movie. I love part 3, but I love the sequence during that night. During the nighttime sequence, I do like. That has another special place in my heart. But the next morning, though, whenever my character is like trying to talk to Mary's cousin, and oh my God, I really want to rate it lower just for that. But oh man, but I give that, okay. So the morning sequence, I get that about a 3. The 3.5. The reason why I'm giving it a 3.5 is because of the night before. the night before that morning. I like that one. I like how we were all like eating pie, and then my dad came home with pizza and stuff. Yeah, I like that sequence. The next morning, it's kind of a bit creepy. It's kind of more of a stalker sequence. I don't know. My character was not that good in that sequence. No, my character in that one was just throw my character away. Everything else is good. Mary's good. Addison in that last 5 or 10 minutes was good. Penelope was the only character in this movie that actually made the morning sequence forgivable for the creepiness that my character delivers. I'm sorry. My character in the script, I don't know why. Oh my god. But anyway, that's it. Yeah. So part 1, I give that a freaking 9. Part 2, I give it a 7. 3, I give it a 3.5. There you go. Those are my ratings on the Snowstorm trilogy. This is the exit of the Snowstorm trilogy. The snow was melting, everything was gone. I thought they were leaving at the ending, and that was the part that's going to be the final chapter. Technically, it was until part 4 came along. So anyway, we'll probably watch part 4 maybe tomorrow. I don't know. So I'll see if I have time. I probably won't, but we'll just see. So, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope y'all are really liking this reaction thing going on with the whole my day with my friends, and then me giving a little bit of a review, like a little short review during the reaction, and me telling you like what happened like behind the scenes and stuff. Yeah, those were all good. I really enjoy the Snowstorm trilogy. I have to say parts 1 and 2 hold a special place in my heart. Part 3, I just want to take that nighttime scene and then just keep it for myself. The next morning sequence can just go away, mainly because of my creepiness. But Penelope in that sequence was the only thing keeping that sequence enjoyable. Everything else was just not that good, but it's still a good sequel. It's still a good sequel. I do like the movie. The movie is good. I do like 3, but I should have said this a million times. The morning sequence, I'm just not really a fan of. But yeah, so like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully it will be part 4. Goodbye.